Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Flappy bed game. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to delete the Toby sprite. Delete the Toby sprite. So bring in your sprites. For me, the Flappy bed and the pipe. I'm going to bring both of them into my work area. As you can see, so far the the bed is big, so I'm going to reduce the size to 30. 30 is fine for me. Then for the pipe, I'm going to reduce it also. I'll reduce the size to 40. Okay. I also need the background. So I'll go to the background and I'll search. I don't want to upload, I'll rather search. So I'll choose the background that suits what I'm planning to do. Okay, so I'm going to choose this space 3. Okay, this look nice now. Okay, before I start any coding, I'm just preparing my environment. So the bed, I'm going to move the bed to a location that is okay for me. Okay, I'll take this as the starting point. And for the pipe, I will take the pipe and I want it to start from here. And I want it to go like this. I want it to look like this. Okay, so for the Flappy bed, I've written the code somewhere already. This is my code for the Flappy bed. So I'll just copy it and I will explain what it does. Okay. So I believe the first thing I need to do is to set the position of my Flappy bed. As you can see, the position here you can see is minus 199 and minus 56. So I will just edit this to minus 199 and minus 56. Minus 56. Okay. Okay, so this here is we call the library. I've already imputed the library for this postnet, which is the extension for human body detection. For the video, I don't want my video to be on for now, so I'm going to off it so that we'll see how it works. I will off it for now. So this one will just make your camera input so that you can on the video to do your hand gesture for detecting your body. So another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to enable the box, meaning that the hand gesture you're going to enable so that you see how the hand movement is. Okay, so while one means while true or while one. Any of them is okay. I can do while true, I can do while one. So anyone you want, let me do while true, while true, while true, while true. So the first thing it will do, the hand will analyze, it will analyze if hand is present. Okay, then if hand is detected, then it is sprite does set x. So the sprite itself, which is the floppy bed, we move. It will detect this hand. There's no time I will show you the hand. The one here, the 8 here is the tip of your finger, and the one here is the position of the x. Okay, so when it detect this, then the floppy bed will start moving. Okay, so for the pipe, I'm moving to the pipe now. I also have the code for the pipe. This is my code for the pipe. So I'll copy this and I will paste here. Okay. As you can see also, the function here, the function here is for the pipe. So as you can see, the direction of the pipe is minus 132. So I will change this x to minus 132 and the y to minus 191. Okay. This is the initial position. The initial position. This is the initial position. This initial height and initial. Okay, so while this bed is moving, I want the pipe to move up like this. I want it to move like this. I want it to move like this. Okay, so I'm not going to be changing the X position of the pipe, meaning that I want it to be same position, but I just want it to move upward. So I'm going to leave this as 132. But the Y, I'm going to now change it to 123 minus 123. That is fine. Okay, so Y to Y for that is forever. If the sprite is touching, if the sprite is this now, is touching the floppy bed. When it's touching the floppy bed, it will just tell me game over. So once this bed is touching this pipe, it says game over, and it's reset it back to the initial position. So that is this move function. It called back this move function. That is set it back to the initial position. But I don't need one pipe, so I need multiple pipe. So one of the things I can do is I will change the name of this pipe to pipe one. Okay, as you can see, it will change here as well. So I will duplicate this for another pipe. Duplicate. Okay. Then, as you can see here also, I now have pipe two, the second pipe. I will just put put it here. Okay, let me put in the middle. I'll put in the middle, or let me just put at the instrument. Let me not make it complex. Okay. So, as you can see, for the pipe two, I want this position to be 147, the x position 147 and the y 125. So 147, not minus but plus 147. 147 and minus 125. Minus 125. Okay, then after 1 second, it moved down. The pipe will move down. I want it to move like this. Again, I don't want to alter the x position, so I will leave it as 147, and this is minus L is going to be 156. So it's going to minus 196, sorry, 196. Okay. Up to now, I can test it and see. Let me run all. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Okay, it's trying to download the library. Okay, that's it. That look fine. Okay, I will need another pipe. So let me duplicate this pipe. This time, this pipe will be downward. This pipe will be downward. So I'll change direction to 0 to turn it downward. Direction is 0 now. Okay, 0 did not work. Let's turn it to 180, sorry. Sorry, it should be a reference to what I did before. This is 180. Let me, I need to, 0 now. What is this? 90. 90. That is 180. What is this? 90, 180, 270. Let's see how 270 goes. Okay. So this time, I want it to be here, and I want it to be full. I want it to be like this. Okay, so the X, as you can see, the X is minus 91. So I'll change it to minus 91, and the y is 121, not minus, but 121. Okay, then after 1 seconds, I want it, I want it move in. I want it move in like this. What is wrong with you? Okay, again, I don't want to change. I don't want to change the x. I want to leave it as minus 91. Then the y is just 189. So no minus, but 189. Then I need one more, 189. So I need one more pipe. Let me duplicate this at the same time. Okay, so this time, this pipe, the position of this pipe, which is pipe 4, which is created, the file is created already. I want it to be here. I want it here. Okay, I want it here. So this time, pipe 4, the x direction is 52. 52, and y is 192. 190. Okay, so I want it out next minute, next seconds. So I want it at the x axis will not change. Also again, it just be 52, and this will be 122. 122. Okay, I think we should run it and see. Run it and see. Let's run on. Let's see how it moves. Let's see if it will be okay. Okay, that look nice.
See, this come back once again. 1 hour.
Okay, this look nice. So another thing I need is I need the I need a red line where to show that you've completed the game. So for the sprite, I'm going to choose line. I'm going to choose line. Okay, this is the line I needed. Okay, this is the line now, but I need the line to be vertical. So I'm going to change the direction to 0. Okay, and again, I want it at this position. Okay, remember we've not written code for the line. I'm not written code for the line. So I have the code for the line as well. Yeah. So I'll copy it. Then I'll simply paste the code there. Okay, so now as you can see, what we have here is line, but in our sprite it's called finish line. So that may throw an error. So I'll just change it to line. Line. Okay, so and again, sprite is touching floppy bed. There should be a dash here because as you can see, our floppy bed, this is how to write it. And that's why I just copy this and paste it in the line there. Okay, so that's why you show that you won the game. Okay, for now, let's run everything and see what happened. Remember, I've not turned on the camera. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, did look nice. Okay, so the last thing is for us to turn on our camera. Remember, I turn it off from the baby bed. So I'm going to turn it on now. Let's see how it goes. On. Okay, so let's run all and see. Okay, let's see how it goes. Take some moments. Okay, now my camera should be turned on. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so I need to use hand gesture now. Sorry, my system is slow, so